Welcome to our session on mindful eating, a simple yet powerful practice to enhance your daily life. In this video, we will explore how paying attention to the way we eat can transform an ordinary meal into a profound experience. Let's dive into how you can start appreciating every bite and truly enjoy the present moment. Mindful eating is about using mindfulness to reach a state of full attention to your experiences, cravings, and physical cues when eating. It involves noticing the colors, smells, textures, and flavors of your food, as well as the thoughts and feelings that arise while eating. Why practice mindful eating? 1. Enhances your senses. By focusing on each bite, you start to really taste your food, which can make even simple meals satisfying and enjoyable. 2. Promotes better digestion. Eating slowly and chewing thoroughly gives your stomach time to prepare for digestion, improving your overall health. 3. Reduces overeating. Paying attention to your hunger and fullness cues helps you learn when you are truly hungry and when you have had enough, reducing the chances of overeating. 4. Increases appreciation of food. This practice encourages you to appreciate where your food comes from and the effort it takes to prepare a meal. How to practice mindful eating? Sit down. When you sit down to eat, it helps you focus on your meal and enjoy it fully. Avoid eating while walking or rushing around, as this can distract you from the taste and enjoyment of your food. Sitting down also signals to your body that it's time to eat, which can improve digestion. Taking the time to sit and eat can make your meals more enjoyable and mindful. Remove distractions. To really focus on your meal and enjoy every aspect of it, it's important to minimize distractions. This means turning off the TV and putting your phone away while you eat. By doing this, you ensure that your full attention is on the flavors and textures of your food, enhancing the dining experience. Eat slowly. Take small bites and chew well. You should put your fork, spoon, or any eating utensil you are using down on your plate between bites. By doing this, you slow down your eating pace, which gives your body more time to recognize and signal to your brain that you are satisfied or full. This helps prevent overeating and allows you to enjoy your meal more thoughtfully. Listen to your body. Be mindful about how much you eat. You should focus on recognizing when you are no longer hungry and stop eating at that point, rather than continuing to eat until you feel uncomfortably full. This practice helps prevent overeating by encouraging you to listen to your body's natural cues that indicate satisfaction and fullness, so you eat just enough to satisfy your hunger. Reflect on your food's journey. Think about the path your food took to reach your plate. This includes thinking about the farmers who grew the ingredients, the people who transported it to your local store, and the family members who prepared and cooked the meal. This thought process helps you appreciate the hard work behind each meal and enhances your connection to what you eat. It makes every bite more meaningful, reminding you of the effort and resources that go into producing food. Conclusion. Mindful eating isn't just about eating slowly. It's about experiencing food more intensely and enjoying the present moment. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you will start to notice not only a change in how you eat, but also how you approach life. Each meal becomes an opportunity to connect with the here and now, leading to a healthier, more mindful lifestyle. Remember, the goal of mindful eating is to cultivate a deeper understanding and appreciation of your food, turning each meal into a moment of mindfulness and relaxation. Enjoy your journey into mindful eating and see how it improves your relationship with food and daily life. Thanks for joining today's session. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.